Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Fidelity 401k step by step. First, access your employer's Fidelity 401k portal, usually via a link from HR. Once there, find the Enrollment or Get Started section. You'll then enter basic personal information, like your social security number and date of birth, to verify your identity and link your account to your employment. Next, you'll determine your contribution amount. You can typically choose a percentage of your salary, often up to a maximum limit, and decide between pre-tax or Roth contributions. Then, it's time to select your investments. Fidelity offers various options, including target date funds, index funds, and individual stocks. Carefully review the choices, considering your risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives to make informed decisions. An important step is designating your beneficiaries. This ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes if something happens to you. You'll typically name a primary beneficiary and can also add contingent beneficiaries. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered, from your personal details to your contribution percentages and investment choices. Accuracy is key for a smooth setup. After reviewing everything, submit your enrollment. You should receive a confirmation, either immediately on screen or via email, verifying that your Fidelity 401k is successfully set up. Remember to regularly monitor your account, review your investment performance, and make adjustments as your financial situation or goals evolve. Also, for great deals and to stay hydrated on the go, check out the link for the Oala water bottle and other fantastic offers in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.